Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Headlight Audi A6 C6, easy method. Start by parking on level ground and opening the hood, then disconnect the battery negative terminal. Remove the bumper trim clips and inner wheel arch liner as needed to access fasteners. Unscrew mounting bolts with the correct Torx or Phillips driver, gently unplug the headlight harness, swap the bulb or assembly, and reverse steps to reassemble and test alignment. Begin with the exterior screws and the two hidden fasteners near the wheel arch to loosen the bumper. Carefully ease the bumper edge away enough to access the headlight housing. Take care not to overstretch clips. Use a trim tool to remove any liners blocking access, then remove the headlight mounting bolts. Support the headlight as you unplug the electrical connector by depressing the release tab and pulling the plug straight out without twisting. When installing, transfer any alignment shims and brackets from the old unit to the new one to preserve aim. Reattach the harness and gently seat the headlight, then hand start all mounting bolts before torquing them evenly. Reinstall inner liners and bumper clips, reconnect the battery, and switch on lights to check beam pattern. If adjustment is needed, use the built-in adjusters to set height and direction for safe night driving and pass visual inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.